everyone. This is my avocado chicken salad bite. This is a special recipe for you. If you want to lose weight, it's a low carb diet. So if you want to lose weight or you just want to be healthy, you can just eat this salad. And it's a healthy meal. It's low carb or basically no carb, but it's low carb and it's very, very good for you. You're going to enjoy it. Hi everyone, it's a blessing to be here with you at Eat Good TV. I have a very special recipe for you today. It's my avocado chicken salad bites. So I'm just gonna season up the chicken and we're gonna get together. Let me show you what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna add the season in this bowl here. So we have here complete season, all-purpose season, and you can use any season you like of your choice, but these are what I'm using on the chicken, and some Maggi all-purpose season too, and these are just for delicious flavor on the chicken bites. Black pepper, garlic powder, oh, this is onion powder, garlic powder now, and some sea salt, and some of the seasoning have salt, just a little sea salt, and I'm gonna mix everything together, and then I'm gonna put it on the. Let me cut the chicken first in bite size. Little bite size. So I'm gonna cook these in bite size and then I add it to the avocado salad. Make sure you wash the chicken with lemon and vinegar. I wash the chicken with lemon and vinegar. And I clean the cutting board properly. Always make sure your surface is always clean. And you wash with lemon and vinegar. So I'm just gonna season now. And then you just season everything together. And I'm just gonna leave this to marinate while I work on the salad. Just cover with a cling wrap and I'm gonna work on the salad next. For our salad we need our lettuce, cucumber, onion, and this is the red onion, tomato and avocado. Now you're just gonna cut your lettuce or you can just break it in pieces, but I'm just gonna cut this one. I'm just gonna use a half of it. I'm just gonna cut it up, slice it up. If you want to break it in chunks, you can always break your lettuce in chunks. But I just slice it up. And just place it in the bowl. And how everyone is doing, hope everyone is doing okay. And I just cut this, I just slice a few pieces like this, and I just cut them in the rest in chunks. That one almost disappear. Okay, and we're gonna just cut these in chunks. The counter is clean. Catch that. Yeah. And I just do the same to the tomato. Just a few in slices. And I cut these in chunks. You open them apart. So you will have some big rings, small rings, or you just open them like this and place them in the bowl. You'll have all size rings to put in the bowl. Just open the rings. You have a great presentation. And if some breaks apart, it's okay. Gotta give it a great presentation also. I just do like just 2 more slices and that's it. Just enough onion. Just peel the avocado and cut it up. Just cut up the avocado. Just dice the avocado. Just cut them into a bite size for a delicious salad. And if you need a little piece, you just take it off. You know, sometimes you bite and it's not good, or a piece might get messed up. You just remove it with your knife. No problem. And just cut them up. And then you're just gonna, oh, this is a big piece here. I just cut them in bite size. And then you just toss your salad, I guess. And we're gonna add our chicken to it. Wow, it's gonna be a delicious salad. And I'm gonna add one more tomato to it for the color. Add some more chunk of tomato for the color. Okay. So I put an extra tomato in it to bring up the color. And there you have it, the salad. Now that the salad is finished, you can add any dressing you want to the salad. We are gonna fry the chicken now. We're gonna fry the chicken to add to the salad. Place the chicken pieces in the pot. You can flour it if you want with almond flour, coconut flour, or just regular flour. You can just flour them. But I'm not gonna flour these. I'm just gonna fry them and add them to the salad without flour. This is 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and we are just gonna let them fry on one side and flip them over to the next side. Now that it cooked on one side, just turn it over. Once it's golden on one side, just flip it over and cook it at medium heat. Oh, this one is smelling up the place. This one is just smelling up the place. Wow, it smells so good. This salad is gonna be delicious, delicious, delicious. I'm just pouring it into a larger bowl. We're just adding our chicken bites with clean hands. And you can add your favorite dressing. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.